Please. Taking a look up here. I want you to look first at that yellow. Take a first look at the yellow. Do I have the yellow up? Nope, I don't. Yep, nope, that's not it. Give me just a second. Put your name on everything. Just put your name on everything. Yeah, the yellow. You need the yellow. Put your name on the yellow. Put your name on the white. Okay, and that's the same day as your first major test in this class, 1017. The study guide is worth 30 test points, so your study guide's worth more than even these quizzes you've been taking in class. And then the test itself is worth 70 test points for a total of 100. This study guide is due when you walk through the door on the 17th, not 17th after school, not 17th lunchtime, not Miss Way, I forgot it at home, can I turn it in tomorrow on the 18th. It is due the 17th. So, those of you with cell phones, I would put yourself a reminder Sunday night on the 16th. Remind yourself, put study guide in backpack. Or those of you with planners, remind yourself Sunday night, put study guide in backpack. Put an alarm reminder on it. Or your planners, one or the other. Sunday night, 16th, so you don't forget. Because yes, it's a Monday, and I know stuff happens on weekends, and you just forget stuff. So give yourself a reminder Sunday night. Yeah, put study guide in backpack. And put a little alarm on it, those of you who have alarms on it. Okay, when you are done, I'd like you to flip to page 9, please, in the study guide. It's the second yellow page. I just want you to look at that. Okay, by the way, all these animations that are here, I'm going to send these links to an email so you can just click through them. Those are not videos. Those are just animations of basic concepts, like if you forget what a vertical angle looks like. All of these are simply, you just click on them, takes 10 seconds to look at them. It's an animation of a concept. I will send these links to you via an email so that you can just click, 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 and have an easy reference. Taking a look on page 9, please. Page 9. Okay, I give you some hints and heads up on how to do well on the PSAT. You are responsible to read page 9 on your own, okay, at home. You must read it before that date, because if you take a look on page 10, just flip to the very back. I give you some online practice tests. Why would it be wise to maybe do a couple of these? Because your performance on the PSAT math section will carry a grade in this class.
What?
So, okay, I just got your attention. Some of you, if you're a sophomore or a junior, some students take the attitude, well, it's a PSAT, I don't have to try, it doesn't really count for anything. Well, it does in this class. So, page 10. Not a lot. I don't have the time to explain this, but you're still taking it. Yes, and it will count. Page.
Why did it count?
Why? Because I want you to take the PSAT seriously, first off. 2, it's a good practice. 3, it's reported for Scott. Listen, then you practice, Michael. You practice. You practice. I'm terrible at guitar, but if I practice, I'd get better. Okay. I can't cure procrastination. I can't cure laziness either, okay? You have to do your own practice. Guys, don't panic. Right here, this section there gives you an example. It's not a huge score. It's going to be a quiz score on your second semester. And you're going to be given an opportunity to improve that. So if you don't do so well in the PSAT, you can actually improve that score online. Okay? Just read. How about this? Let me just be quiet. I want you to read page 10 yourself. Just read it. Top to bottom, take 2 minutes. Go. Just read it yourself, please. Yes, yes, and then you can have,
It's like 1 and 5,
you can have linear pair in there somewhere. Linear pair is going to be into play.
2 and 4, linear pair?
No, that's corresponding. 1 and 2 are a linear pair. 7 and 5 are a linear pair. Okay.
Alternate exteriors, 1 and 3?
1 and, no, those are corresponding.
6.
Yes, okay? So I just want you to read and explain the problem and write it out, okay?
Oh, Lord.
Yes. Okay. Students, raise your hand when you are done with page 2. Page 2, I'm also checking off. Start writing.
Can I
Page
rotate
2,
this?
I'm also checking off.
Can I rotate it? I don't like writing this way. I'm gonna rotate it. No. Okay. Do you want me to do it now? Okay. So. Okay, so since you're. Wait. Miss Way. Okay, so, oh my gosh, Whitney. Okay, so you're gonna start with the given, which is 1. Where is my pen? So you're given 1, which is 75. So you're gonna write up here. Up here, you're gonna write 75 degrees. So then from there, you're gonna have your alternate interior, which is right here, and that's also going to be 75. And since this line S and line T are parallel, that means the numbers that go with it are also going to be the same. So angle 6 and 8 are also 75. Another thing that you're given is right here. Angle is supposed to be angle 4. Sorry. Angle 4. Angle 4 you're given as 105. So you have corresponding exteriors, which are 105 degrees. Therefore, a good way to check. A good way to check. Hold up. This is. Why am I an eraser? Okay, sorry. This is what is going on. 75. Whoa. Whoa. That's what I'm looking for. Why is it doing this? I'm so confused. Okay, go. Alright, okay, so you have angle 1, angle 1, and angle 1, and angle 5, and angle
close. What do you call that? Shoe leg?
I don't know what it's doing.
Make a line. Yeah, do that. Shoe leg. That's
I don't know what it. I hate this computer. It's not letting. Yeah.
okay. It's being able to.
I don't like these computers at all.
Yeah, I liked my old one better as far as writing's concerned. Okay. Okay, students, everybody go to page 4, please. Page 4. I know I told you to go on page 6. I need you to backtrack page 4 because we're ready to go. Page 4. Page 4, please. Page 4. Yes, ma'am, you may go. Page 4. I'll take care of it. Page 4. Everybody backtrack. Page 4, please. Page 4. Okay, lights, please, Carly, while you're on your way out. Page 4. Okay. The whole idea behind the Burger King activity, first off, how many of you found, at least initially, especially those of you who were giving instructions, how many of you initially were a little bit annoyed? Raise your hand if you were annoyed. Tell me, why were you annoyed?
Because they're being dumb.
Because you think they're being dumb. What else? Okay. Mr. Mallett, please don't distract Dalton. Dalton, hat off, please. You may wear the crown, yes, but not a baseball cap. Okay, look up here, guys. What I was fishing for, and hopefully you figured this out pretty quickly, was you were required to be very detailed in order to get this hat on properly latched. This is called technical writing. Technical writing. Technical writing is used in business, it's used in the legal realm, it's used in medicine. It's learning to write things step by step, logically. What we're going to talk about today is something called proofs. Now, this was on the videos last night. Do not panic. What I'm going to explain to you today is not as complex as what you saw in the videos last night. The simplest thing is a proof is just a detailed, underline the word detailed, underline the word detailed, technical explanation. It's just a detailed technical explanation. A good proof does not simply focus on what is the answer. In fact, a proof gives you the answer. So it's kind of annoying because you guys are always used to hunting for like X, like looking for a single thing. And a proof, you're not even looking for a single thing. Instead, you're more concerned about how do you get there and why each step is logical. How and why. Either highlight or star the word why. That's the most important concept. How do you answer the why? You use definitions. You use definitions, properties, theorems, and postulates. Definitions, properties, theorems, postulates. Basically, think of all the vocab you've been learning for the past couple weeks. Things like vertical angles, linear pairs, alternate in, alternate x, postulates. There's three kinds of proofs. Narrative. Okay, guys, if you're discussing math, like you're helping each other understand my handwriting, that's fine. But if you're talking about something completely unrelated right now, I need you to stop and focus. Okay, this will take us about 10 minutes, and then you're going to have the rest of the class to yourself. Okay, narrative. I'm waiting for about 3 people to focus here. Narrative, that's what you're doing today. On next Monday, Next Monday, we're going to talk about what are called formal proofs, which are two-column and web proofs, also called flowchart proofs.
Would that say Monday?
Monday. So sorry. You try to write on this thing, okay?
Evil. Can I?
Tell me about it. Not at the moment there, Michael. Maybe later. Okay? There are 4 steps to working through a proof, and they're summarized by the acronym GIFT. They're summarized by the acronym GIFT. Okay? I'd like you to highlight or underline given, implied, freebies, talk through. Given, implied, freebies, talk through. Okay? Underline or highlight that, please. Hold up 4 fingers. Out loud, repeat after me. Given, implied, freebies, talk through. Say it. Given, implied, freebies, talk through. Out loud, one more time. Given, implied, freebies, talk through. Those are the 4 steps of a proof. Step 1. You mark, it'll make sense when we do it. You mark the given information and the prove information on the diagram. You mark the given on the diagram. Mark the given on the diagram. Prove. Then you mark what's implied. Implied. What's now true because of the given? Implied. Implied. You ask yourself this question, what can I find? What can I do? Not what should I do. That's very important. Third, locate and mark freebies. Locate and mark freebies. Freebies are things that are always true, even if they're not in the given. Freebies are like this, vertical angles. If you see them, you can always mark them equal. Linear pairs, if you see them, you can always make them 180. Those are called freebies, because even if they're not in the given, you can use them. Star, talk through, or underline it somehow, or box. I know, don't worry about it. Talk through the logic of the problem. You have to use if-then sentences, explain both the how and the why. Now I'm going to walk you through one problem. Then you're going to have one problem on your own. I sign off, and then you can continue working. You only have 3 problems today to finish total, besides this one. Okay, taking a look at page 5, please. Page 5. Page 5. Make sure you're on the right one. Follow with me, guys. Page 5. We start by marking the given. It says, given ACP is a right angle. So I come over here. I put my pencil on A. I go to C. I go to P. I sweep it. I put a 90 there. Yeah, it's page 5. 5 is required. Follow with me. Really important, you cross it out when you are done. RC bisects ACF. So trace A, go to C, go to F. Trace RC. I'm going to write the word bisect. That means these 2 guys are equal. No, it's not drawn to scale. You'll manage. Cross it out. Okay, we are done with the given. So check. Learn to follow that checklist. Now we're going to mark what's implied. We're going to mark what do we know because of the given. Well, if that's 90, that's 90. Because they're a linear pair. I see the hatch marks, so most of these have to be 45 and 45. Those are bow tie angles. Those are vertical. That's one of our freebies. So if that's 45, you bring it over here and you write 45. Let's see, what else can we know? Sweep this. That's 180. You have one missing angle. Find it. Go. You have one missing angle. Find it. Okay. Out loud, what is it, guys?
135.
Okay, it is 135. Now, guess what? Let's look at what you're trying to explain. It says, explain, given this, how do you know this, put a question mark, is 135. I want you right now, as a team, take about 30 seconds. I want you to talk this through. How do you get from here to here? Go.
Write it down.
I don't want you writing. I want you talking. Talk first. Talk it out. Talk it out. Don't write. 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 Don't write. Don't write. Don't write. All right, students, let me explain why I want you to talk. All right, I need your attention. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This last thing I'm going to explain, that I'm going to write it for you. You're going to copy it down so you have a sample, so you know what kind of detail I'm looking for. Then you're going to do page 6 on your own. Everybody put your hand on your head, please. Say, freeway. Okay? Then use your other hand like you're about to write. Say, school zone. Okay, what I'm illustrating here is the speed of your thoughts moves like a freeway. They're lightning fast, they're very quick. But your hand, because you have to move your hand mechanically to express your thoughts, it's like going from a freeway at 65 to a school zone at 15. That's why some of you find that writing part difficult, because your brain's going so fast that it's difficult for you to capture your thoughts and translate into your hand. So this is why I want you to, in between the head and the hand, I want you to talk. Everybody touch to your lips, or point to your lips. You can talk faster than you can write. So, or hopefully that should be the case. So, you guys, listen. This is real key, guys. Talk yourself through the problem first, then write. That helps you write properly, okay? You guys already talked about it. Now I'm going to show you how to write. We're going to start with, and notice I'm going to make it look like English sentences. So I'm going to use proper titles, okay? First, I know angle ACP is right. RC bisects. I'm going to use a few abbreviations. You're welcome to use my abbreviations. Angle ACF, because it's given. You simply start with the given information. So write that sentence down. Watch the connector word. Since angle ACP is 90, angle ACF is also 90. Yeah, because of linear pair. I'm going to use LP as linear pair. You're welcome to use that as well. Also, RC bisects angle ACF, so little angles are 45 each. LP is linear pair. I'm going to use that for a linear pair. You're welcome to use it as well. So let's talk about vertical angles now. Angle RCF and angle PCZ are vertical and congruent. So PCA is 45. Finally, notice it's my last sentence, so I actually set it off like a summary sentence in a paragraph. I use finally, or in summary, or lastly. Finally, angle PCA and angle FCZ are a linear pair, so 180 minus 45 equals 135. Boom, you're done. PCZ. Okay, great, I can't fix that. That's PZC. This guy right there, PCZ. I'm sorry, let me fix it. I'm so sorry, hang on, let me see if I can't fix that. That's Z, that should be Z. PCZ and FCA are linear pairs, so 180 minus 45 equals 1 FCZ. Okay, I keep replacing. Got it. Z.
I think you said it like that because I remember.
Sorry about that. Okay. That's what a narrative proof looks like. It actually has buzzwords like you're writing a paragraph. Okay? Okay. Shift to page 6. Walk yourself through the given, the implied, the freebies. Please talk it through, then write a paragraph for page 6. Show me your paragraph, and then I'll let you check it on the my screen. I have it. I'll be right there. Perpendicular, I think. Is that what you're looking at?
The line in the middle. It's like a line that's one.
That means perpendicular. Okay, you can check it. Make sure you have as many details as I do. I would have to end with this. That's your target. That's your last sentence. I didn't talk straight, did you? Yes? Yeah, I like that. Yes. Cell phone up there? Okay. Okay, hang on just a second. Let me sharpen one. Hey guys, mark it on the diagram. Make sure you walk yourself through gift. Don't skip the top of it. Okay? When I talk it out, make sure this is as detailed as possible. Okay? once you have a paragraph, they check it on the screen, okay?
This way.
Make sure you talk this through. Yes, ma'am.
They're kind of different. I
Let's see what you
explained mine
said. DSC and complementary angles. That's fine. Because it's 65. CFB has to be 65, or 25, excuse me. Congruent, so that is 25. DFA is 150. 180. So the only thing you needed to use here was the fact that they're a linear pair. That's it. Was the fact that they're
So
these
which
guys.
ones are linear? Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are linear pair. Otherwise, you're good.
Wait. Okay.
This angle. Do you mind if I write? Okay. This and this are a linear pair.
Okay.
Because that's basically what you said. You just subtracted it from 180. Yeah. Excellent job.
I think I said there's something.
Okay. But they're supplementary because they're a linear pair.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Great. Fabulous. You are signed off, kiddo. Page 7 is your homework, but at the rate you're going, you'll probably finish it. Okay? Take a shot at 7. Yes, ma'am. Go check it on the if you don't know, that's not given. That's your explain. That's your process. Not use that. That's exactly
Okay, because it says right on given, it says you're going to do CFD is yeah, I'll be trying to cover 25%. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90. After that,
Oh, yeah, 90. What is 180?
I like you to follow this explanation. Okay? Follow it over here. Because I'm working with this. Okay? All right. Students, you're supposed to be done with page 6 in about 5 minutes. Jason, are you page 6 done? Check. You may go check. Page 6 done, Jacob? You may go check on the whiteboard.
Like a box. She wrote so much.
Yeah, no, it's nothing about where I put it.
Miss Streeter, how you guys doing? Amanda? How you doing page 6? Oh, solid. Solid.
Oh, goodness.
Scoot your paper over. No, the other way.
You gotta be more descriptive.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said screw your paper over.
I'm
Alright,
sorry.
we have the given.
How about you read the problem out loud? Just
Oh, I actually already did it. I just didn't write that paragraph.
good.
Oh. Yeah, I
I'm
got
an
it.
absolute beast.
Okay, so
I seriously
the given is over. I have my whole angle finding, which whatever the final thing is. Sweet.
I don't even get it. No.
Students, we're done with page 6. I must sign up. Guys, you can't be up there unless I've seen your paper.
Oh, you want to see mine?
I need to see that you've done something. Okay, red pen, go. Ready, red pen, go. Red pen, go. Let me check. Okay. Nice job. Good.
Yes, sir. After I correct, to know that I'm right.
Sounds right. I'm gonna do whatever you do.
Let me check. Yes, you make a check. Yes, you make a check. You did check. I see. Nice job. Go on to page 7. Nice job. Go on to page 7. Nice job. Go on to page 7. Students, I need to sign off on page 6. Go on to page 7. Yes. Go on to page 7. Yes. Yeah, the hard way.
What was that about? You just threw it in my hat.
I would be really nice to be I need a lot more detail there, Jenna. All right.
What was that?
It's just like, it's right there. Matt, you need help?
One of those things. Sam, did I sign on? Why is it? Don't well, what? How about this? Hasn't he started by saying all your givens?
I'm tired of people causing all my crazy shit. You say you're gonna help me. Yeah. I'll help you. Yeah, can you help me then? Yeah.
Why are you stressed?
What is this?
I get it. I know that's not amazing. Guys, not there. So that's how we go now. Because okay, don't give up, John. You choose not to have dinner until you get it. Yes, 5. But how do we do So, Russell, I'm going to listen to you first, okay, so that you know how to write. Jenna, do me a favor. Can you let Amanda write her own, and and then she can check her own, because it's changed. Okay, so if you want, I'm gonna listen to Russell talk. You can kind of listen to his talk. Okay, so Russell, guys, did you do page 6? Yeah. Bring it to me then. Bring it to me. Okay, Whitney, you just finished page 6. You're almost done. Check it when you're done, okay? Okay, you guys, go check page 6. Yes. You check, then I sign off.
I checked.
Haley, did you check page 6? Okay, did you check it already? Check. You check. Okay, then I sign off. Go on to page 7. Haley, you're wrapping it up? Cody, have you finished page 6?
It's up here,
Check
guys.
page 6. Then you
Hello?
come to me. Eileen, how are you guys doing?
Oh.
Okay, you've checked page 6. Okay, go on to page 7, please, Jenna. Okay, you've checked, go on to page 7.
It's up here. Okie dokie.
Okay, Adam.
That is
finish
not
page
page 6.
Okay, go check it when you're done. Jenna, you're on 7, correct? Jacob, you're on 7? Okay.
Where's this thing?
Smiley face and say I did it right.
Is she recording? Goodness gracious, she's recording.
Oh, weird.
Oh, I'm gonna be on this. Hello. Holla. Hi. Holla. Yeah.
I think that was for me calling you.
So I'm going to listen to you. I want you to start by just reading the given and show me on the diagram what's given. So I'm going to listen to you. Go.
Okay, well, mine kind of makes sense.
Even though
I put your phone away. Looks like you're taking a picture of something.
I was looking at my reflection.
I want you to try to
more fitting. Right? Look. Nice and look.
Why did she record the entire page?
I don't know. Oh, for online.
I know, but like right now we're not doing anything. Like when you stop recording,
That's ridiculous.
Now they hear us.
One don't
watch
though.
us. Like I want to go like listen to it and just like wait for this conversation. I want to see what I sound like. You look like
I know, I don't know what I sound
okay,
like.
I feel like okay. I think I sound higher, but then when I hear it, it sounds like a man. But then other people say, oh,
You look
you
like one of
sound
those
like
Smurfs that makes
high
the
voice.
what
And
do
I'm
they
like,
call
wait, you
the
sound like a man.
It doesn't sound like you have voice like that.
No, but okay, Michael said I had a super high voice. When I hear my voice like
Sorry, yeah, you look like a Kepler elf.
so no, I don't.
But you're not cute though, so.
I'm confused as to what my voice sounds like, and I'm never really gonna know.
Me either, because you know you talk different. Like you think you hear your voice different.
Yeah. But then like you hear yourself and you're like, that's not what I sound like. I hate it when people do this. It just bugs me. They have to like pound on the board with the pen. You don't. It has a point like that, so you write like you kill someone. It bugs me. Jeez. Okay, it bugs me when people write on my paper.
That's why
She wrote on my paper
like
and I was crying. No, like she was like marking all over my paper and I started crying. Excuse me.
is that why she has? Is that why
Yeah, that's why whenever she comes by me, she puts her arms behind her back. Because I have like OCD weird about that. Okay. I cried twice on Friday.
Oh my gosh.
You know.
The usual. We're done. Whoa. Why did she write so much?
You have to find the.
Given that the segments went perpendicular, we got that. So that angles CFD is 65.
We got that.
Angle CFD.
It's not the exact same thing, but
I know. I didn't write that much.
Yeah,
I did.
I think it's kind of obvious. As long as you know how to get it.
I think that fan is a little awkward down there.
This thing?
Yeah, I can like the fan. I
Rubber?
can, like,
Oh. They meant this. I was like, it's like rubbery.
This thing is weird too. Okay.
I think it's because she's standing here all day.
Yeah, I'd want one too.
Wow. Oh, this section's going to settle well with you, man.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
I'm gonna give myself 100% because I feel like I did good on that.
I didn't write that much.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Can you go to page 6? Can I just want to copy the screen, please?
CFD and
You may not put
also equals 20. I'm just gonna go. Okay.
I need a lot of
Alright, cool.
Okay, just explain the 180.
You have to do number 7 too?
Great, go check on the Nice, very nice. Last one now, yes, you got it. That's it, you're done. You're done. I mean, finish that and you will be done. Finish it and you will be done.
Oh, yeah.
Go check.
I know all the stuff.
Okay.
All this.
Okay, go check.
Yeah, we got it.
Can someone get that, please? Thank you, thank you. Did you finish that six?
Of course.
Now you get seven. You're not finished yet? Okay, go on page 7. Follow the same process, page 7. Yes? Okay, remember your goal if you're having that, that's going to be so far, I don't even see 25 years. All you're doing is taking all of this best information and you're capturing it in the Did you actually talk us through it? You did, good. You made the
Definitely not.
Okay, page 7. Way more detail. You also need words, you use words like then, also,
Wait, is page 7 up there, Miss White? Page 7.
No, I can do that.
Whoa, who did page 7?
Okay, great, yes. Page 7, 6, go, finish.
I need page 7 up here, Miss White.
Finish. I don't have page 7. Page 7 I'm doing directly. Okay?
Oh, why?
Okay.
Reader,
Nice job. Nice job. Let's see. Michael.
Yeah.
Could you come here and listen to Eric read his problem out loud, please? Okay.
That's pretty good.
Okay, Michael. Here you go. Stand next to me. Okay? All right. Yes. Good. Check? Yeah. Check. Check yours. Pass it to me. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Go on to page 7. Page 7? Page 7? Give me our please. Okay. So I'm going to do this. Why? You see what's going on here? I need Y's all the way down. You've given me a fantastic job of how, but I need Y for everything. Okay? Okay.
Alright, Matt, what are you saying?
Use multiple colors. Use colors on set. Highly recommend. Okay, nice job. On the hill. What? How are you doing? Okay.
I like this.
You did not like this.
Brown.
You give me a light.
I know.
You break my brother.
Water polo team. No. Do you even know that I was your minister? Come here.
We're looking at this.
Saturday.
What?
Look at
Wait, our tournament on Saturday at St. Francis?
Oh yeah, I do Jamie.
Oh, why?
I saw you yesterday at water polo.
No, you didn't. Oh, yeah. I was gay. I was swimming for days. I wasn't even trying. I was cheating.
I saw.
How? I would go underwater and then come up, go around the other direction?
Yeah.
I put 3 stars. Is that correcting?
Sure.
Miss Way, I need a sign off.
Students, who have I not signed off on page 6? Page 6, must be signed off. Page 6. Okay, you guys check all page 6? Check all page 6, okay.
Me too.
Six, I think. Yeah, it's
Okay, did you finish page 6?
Next to big buddy, small hands,